It's SkyLark, Songbird, and talking to Bob Dylan Cow about his first psychotherapy session. I'm sorry I have to do this talk and share therapy session with you on YouTube publicly, but your website said it's impossible to contact you directly. And the world sent for me to talk to you because we have a long history and deep down we love each other and can help each other. No, we are not alone, we are loved. Okay. Dr. Mike Murdoch, St. Paul, says, what you want is wanting you. All right, so I'll begin. All you have to do is listen. I'll ask the questions. You can answer them, but you can just listen and let it go into your brain and let your brain answer it. Okay. It's probably better if you murmur a yes or no, actually. All right, so here we go. Are you unaware of what you are feeling? Are you unaware of what you are doing? Do you lack peace of mind? Are you tortured? Are you tormented? Do you lack understanding? Are you without wisdom? Does your lives not make sense to you? Are you mentally and emotionally suffering? Are you at a loss? Are you not loved? Are you not loving anyone? Are you not caring about yourself? Are you not, what's that? Careful about anyone? No, are you caring about yourself? Are you not caring about anyone? Are you attached to Bob Dylan? Is that me asking myself that? Oh, sorry. Are you rough and rowdy? Well, so. Are you greeting and dismissing a stranger? Are you a lusty old mule? 70 is a new 40, so don't worry about being old. Besides, you can reverse your age. Are you stubborn? Are you an evil genius? Actually, that was Hitler, right? Just you wonder. Do you want to hurt somebody? Are you cruel? Are you bitter? Are you, somebody's at the door. I have to stop now.